Welcome back students to your biology class. In the last videos we learnt about reproduction. We started with reproduction in man. We saw the reproductive system of male, and then we learnt about the female reproductive system, and we also discussed about pregnancy and fertilization. So when we learnt about fertilization, we saw that when the sperms enter the female and the sperm fuses with the egg, it results in the formation of zygote. Now what happens if the egg is not fertilized? In case the egg is not fertilized, the egg remains alive for around a day, 24 hours or so. So in case during that period, if the egg is not fertilized, then it degenerates, and this starts the menstrual cycle or menstruation. The menstrual cycle is also referred to as the ovarian cycle. When the first menstruation starts during the time of puberty in female, it is referred to as menarche or menarche. Menarche is nothing but the first menstruation which occurs in the life of a female during puberty, and the phenomenon where menstruation completely stops is termed as menopause, and this occurs anywhere between 45 to 50 years of age. First occurrence menarche, and when menstruation completely stops, it is referred to as menopause. So now let's see what are the different phases in menstrual cycle. It is divided into 4 different phases. The first phase is termed as the menstrual phase, where actually the menstruation or the bleeding occurs. Here, along with blood, the egg is also released. Around 50 to 100 ml of blood is discharged, and this phase lasts for anywhere between 3 to 5 days. The next phase is termed as the proliferative phase. This starts from the 5th day and continues till the 14th day of the menstrual cycle. Now what happens, earlier I told you that when a female is born, there are a lot of immature eggs, and once they reach the age of puberty, these immature eggs, which are termed as follicles, they start growing and becoming mature. So during this phase, there is under the influence of a special hormone which is called as follicle stimulating hormone or FSH. Under the influence of this hormone, the follicle starts maturing, okay, and then during the same time, another important hormone called estrogen is also released by the ovary. So first phase is menstrual phase, and the second phase is termed as proliferative phase, where the follicle starts maturing. At the same time, it also releases the hormone estrogen. Next, the third phase is termed as the ovulation phase. So this is a very important phase because during this phase, the egg is released. Now as I told you, the follicle starts maturing and only one will mature in every 28 days, and this follicle is termed as Graafian follicle. So this Graafian follicle during this phase will release a matured ovum or egg from the ovary. And this process, when an ovary releases egg, is termed as ovulation. And this ovulation occurs in the middle of the menstrual cycle, anywhere between the 13th and 15th day. And during this time, another hormone, progesterone, is also released. So this ovulation phase is also termed as the fertility period. So only during this time, fertilization and pregnancy can occur. Why? Because only during this phase, the egg or the ovum is released. And then finally, the fourth and the last phase is called as the secretory phase. Here what happens when finally the uterine wall they start rebuilding again. The endometrium lining, which is the inner lining of the uterus, also becomes glandular, and then it starts preparing for the nourishment and growth of the egg. In case fertilization occurs, it has to be prepared for that. So after this period, in the last period, again everything is rebuilt back. I hope this cycle is clear to you. Menstruation is nothing but when the egg is not fertilized, then it is discharged along with some amount of blood. This process is termed as menstruation or menstrual flow. Menstrual cycle can be classified into 4 different phases. Menstrual phase, this is the first phase where actually menstruation occurs. Next is proliferative phase, where the immature egg starts growing and becoming mature. During this phase, remember, the hormone estrogen is also released. Third phase, ovulation, when actually the ovary will release the mature egg from the Graafian follicle. And then last is the secretory phase, where egg is nourished properly by the uterus and the endometrium, so that in case fertilization occurs, it can be taken care of. The first menstruation which occurs during puberty is termed as menarche, and finally when this cycle stops is termed as menopause.